Okay, through the door. First bedroom on the left, 5-bed house. This is bedroom, what we call number 4. It's a big bedroom. It's got a bay and double bed, plenty of storage. And then going down the cloakroom, towards the cloakroom, sorry, there is another bedroom. This is bedroom 5. Turn the light on here. Big mirror, doors onto the garden. Desk, double bed, bedside cabinet. And then coming out, we have a downstairs toilet in there, and there's an understairs cupboard. Going into the kitchen, sort of kitchen lounge area, where you've got breakfast bar, dishwasher, washing machine, built-in oven and gas hob, 2 fridge freezers. There's a TV in here, and then upstairs, half landing coming up. So this is the big bedroom at the front, bedroom 1. There's a Euro king size bed in here, which is even bigger than a normal king. It's an IKEA bed. There's some bedding sheets I provide. So yeah, this room. Bedroom 2. Double bed. And then nice window out onto the garden.